I grew up playing around in the woods. I grew up in the woods and running around, and probably had ticks on me several times throughout my young life. Hi, my name is Travis Davidson. I'm from Boise, Idaho, and I am here at Envita for Lyme disease treatment, and more in depth would be a complex Lyme disease. Starting in my late teens, 17, 18, I started having weird issues with joints and pain and all that kind of fun. And then that joint pain kind of came a little stronger about 15 years back. I honestly kept pushing through and telling myself that things aren't real and I have to deal with them, because that's what the doctors would tell me. So then I'd go back to doctors and they'd give me a shot, or they'd give me antibiotic or this or that. Well, in 2017 and then to 2017 October, I had to quit my job that I'd been doing for about 10 years at that point. My blood pressure started spiking at 250s over 180s. And so ultimately the doctor said, you've got to stop everything. You need to sit still and you need to kind of relax, and we need to watch your blood pressure. So come 2019, my guts went south and I started having a lot of digestive issues, and that lasted for there until I walked in the door in here, along with everything declining at that point, and brain getting fogged and brain getting kind of pre-dementia and all those things. And then I had some personal life-changing events happen. Ultimately, those things were the type of life-changing events that create major trauma and major stress on your systems in your body. And I think at that point was when the Lyme disease that had been riddled through my body, along with all these other co-infections and extreme heavy burdens of toxins that are poison and carcinogenic. And so all that said, all of that was able to finally just grab hold, and my immune system was weakened to such a level that it couldn't bounce back up. I spent about 3 months going to my family doctor that I had been seeing for 15 years in Idaho, who brushed me off. I just don't think people quite comprehend Lyme disease. And this doctor, for a family doctor, was specialized in chronic illness, still couldn't grasp that there could be something truly wrong with me after endless labs and tests for every disease under the sun, when they're seeing I have all the damage or I'm bearing symptoms. I read into Envita and as one of the clinics that stood out in this country. And some people I asked about what they thought I should do. The truth is everybody concluded that Envita was probably a very good option and looked like a pretty stand-up real medicine place. And that was from multiple doctors. That was kind of like the clincher of, okay, I think maybe I should go check this place out. So I made the phone call, and within, I think, the week I was down here. I have Anna and Nick, and I think the original gal was Danielle. And those were the three people that I kind of coordinated with in coming here and getting set up. And when I walked in the door, and the three of them are unbelievably just kind and truly wanting to make you feel comfortable, and not in a schmarmy fake way. So start out with endless labs, and ultimately the lab work is the building block, the foundation of what they're going to base their whole regimen of treatments on. These doctors are doing what doctors used to do once upon a time, when they cared about their patients instead of their bottom line. And nothing's hidden behind doors, and nothing's kept in the background. And so it almost reads too good to be true, but then you walk in the door and it really is true. My main nurse was Maria, and she took good care of me. Everybody in this place took good care of me. And all of a sudden, 10 weeks later here, I'm actually pushing without trying again, and living and better than I was before 15, 16, 17 years old. The truth of the matter is I am here and moving forward because of what they've done and the people in this place.